the beast. I'm wishing I could drive this, but they actually stole my battery, so I haven't purchased a new one because the struggle is real. Work is kind of slow. Just made it home. About to release the beast. Rocky! Uh-oh. Dug some holes. Hey! Why'd you do that? Huh? Why'd you do that? Come on. What are you doing here? Okay, you ate my pen. Hey, wait. I wish I could drive this, but I actually blew the engine on this. So I'm sitting on a lot of steel projects. But like I said, I'm trying to keep you guys updated. I have a, what is it, a Jeep Renegade? A Jeep, I don't know what it's called. It's a Jeep Renegade, a 4-door crossover SUV, I don't know. And it's just getting a door skin replaced and blending the quarter panel and the front door. But yeah, I'm just trying to keep you guys updated, trying to tell you guys what's going on. I'm trying to get the ball rolling on my Acura TL as well. But you know, like I said, work is slow and the income and the cash flow isn't coming in, so there really isn't much that I can do right now. But just stay tuned. Thank you guys for sharing, liking, subscribing, and commenting. It helps out a lot. It helps the channel out a lot. It helps me grow. And yeah, just keep doing what you guys are doing. And if you guys don't want to miss a beat, go ahead and turn on your little bell. Just click on the bell on the notifications and you'll never miss one of my videos. Peace. So I got this door skin coming in. This is about what I got right now.